Hello, I'm Thinev. Today I'll be talking about a bird that has a very distinctive call. The bar-winged flycatcher-shrike. The bar-winged flycatcher-shrike is a small passerine bird. Mainly insectivorous, it is found hunting in the mid-canopy of forests. It is found in the forests of tropical southern Asia from the Himalayas and hills of southern India to Indonesia. The head, upper parts and tail are black. The sides of the neck and underparts are white. The wing shows a prominent white slash and the outer tail feathers are white. The bill is black and the upper mandible is hooked at the tip. Usually found in mixed species foraging flocks. Feeding on insects in the mid-canopy by hawking prey in mid-air like flycatchers, hence the name. Their calls are like locally named Waira, piya, masi-saratiththa. I have not seen the bar-winged flycatcher-shrike. It is an upcountry bird. In Nuwara, there is a beautiful waterfall called Lover's Leap. These are some of the pictures of our trek to Lover's Leap waterfall.